Okay, go ahead.
My name is Julie and I'm playing This Time by Jacob LaVallee.
All right, round of applause. And guys, Jacob LaVallee is a good friend of mine, and he's a composer. And so he's been starting to feed us a lot of pieces, and these are some of the pieces that are coming through. So if you do like them, you can ask me and I can give you the pieces. All right, let's open that poll and let's finish out class here. One more poll. Here we go. Oh, Sophie says I don't go to Kaizen at 6:30. Okay, no worries. Well, then you're welcome to stay here as long as you like. Julia Lee with an I.
Okay. So I think you should, like before, I thought you should begin a bit softer. And you should probably move the camera so we can like see your other hand, because like we couldn't see it. And then the character was pretty nice.
Great. Yeah, I actually really do like the character. Jaden, you want to chat it here? Chime in?
Yeah, I thought that the dynamics were pretty good and your balance was also pretty good.
Great. And the results from the poll are coming in here. Who else wants to chat here? Allison?
I think with the dynamics and I love the character.
Okay, that was extremely soft, Allison, but I think you said character. That's all I heard. I heard just the last word. So I guess you said you have a good character. Let's get a couple more pieces of feedback here. Laura Zhang?
So I think your dynamics were top heavy.
Okay, well, thank you. Let's just go over the poll here since no one else has anything directly to say. Dynamics was a resounding 8 out of 10 people said a 4. So I do agree that you had a pretty good dynamic set. Again, on articulation, pretty good. So 7 of 10 people said that. A couple of people above, a couple of people below. Everyone was kind of mixed on balance. I think that's partially because of pages 3 and 4. It started to get a little bit hectic in the left hand. Phrasing, yes, I agree, was very, very good. And movement, yes. Finally, you guys got a whole set correct. Every one of these is exactly what I would have put. 2 on movement. I think it needs some work. The movement is not convincing. Whoever put 5 on movement, that is not correct, not even close. Our movement needs to be a lot more diverse, and you need to have a lot more intention in your movement. Okay, so you are moving a little bit, but I'd give about a 2. So well done, guys. As a team, you guys gave really good feedback today. Tomorrow we have performance seminar. Alicia Rand is playing a Beethoven sonata, Beethoven Pathétique, movement 2. Isabella is playing Chopin's Ballade in A flat major, which is number 3. And Vish is playing a Bach prelude. So if you come by tomorrow at 6 p.m., you'll hear that. And Wednesday is a stage 2 performance seminar. So you'll actually come in and get to see some stage 2 kids. So if you want to come by, I will not be hosting that, but that'll be on Wednesday. Until then, see you guys tomorrow. Take care.